So now we have downloaded XAMPP, the web server application, and we have downloaded. When you start it, it will ask you to give permission, and you have downloaded WordPress itself. There it goes. So we are going to extract all to the same location. So we'll have executable file. And now XAMPP is asking us for permission. Okay, next. Yes, we need all these. That would be fine. Yeah, location is also okay. Yes, this is one of the best thing about WordPress. You can use multiple languages. Even if you don't find your language there, you can download in English language, install in English language, and you can download any language up to about, I think, 160 languages: English, Arabic, French, Spanish, and Hindi, Urdu, all these Indonesian, all these languages are available. You can create the website or turn the website into any language you like. Let's continue. Learn more about XAMPP. We don't want that. Next. Yeah, this might take some time, so I'll pause the recording. I will resume it after it has completed. Yes, now XAMPP has been installed. We'll continue with WordPress. Do you want to start control panel? Yes, we would like that. Now we need Apache and MySQL. These two services will be required. Yes, we give them access. We allow them access to. So if you go to Apache or WordPress, okay, it went to the other desktop. Let's go back to our desktop. I hope it doesn't take us there. It will. Anyhow, now the local host is installed. Our system has become a server. So you can access by local host, or the IP can be, or default is 127.0.0.1.